Been a very cold winter, but we've had some of the coldest winter weather so far this season over the last few days. Although today was better. We got up to about freezing or so this afternoon. We're still in pretty good shape on our Briarfield Healthcare Center's weather camera in Niles, and the road is dry for the time being. Lots of residual kind of salt on all the roads, and anything that's treated tonight should be generally okay. This precipitation is going to be real light and temperatures are going to be kind of marginal overnight. There's not much going on right now aside from a stray flurry or two, but the radar is starting to fill in off to our south and west. I think the first thing we'll see this evening is kind of a mixed bag of light snow with maybe some sleet pellets mixed in. Then as we head through the overnight, everything kind of becomes liquid as it falls through the sky. The problem may be the temperatures down here at the ground, both the air temperatures and the road temperatures. Right now, road temperatures are mostly still well above freezing, but these will cool some as we head through the night. Again, the radar fills in over the next few hours, and you'll see kind of the blues replaced by some greens and some pinks. Sleet, freezing rain going to be a possibility for the overnight. And as we head towards tomorrow morning and a lot of people head off to work and school, you'll see some green here on the Futurecast, but a little pink mixed in as well. Anything falling from the sky first thing tomorrow morning will be liquid, and it'll be right around 31, 32 in a lot of spots. A little refresher on precipitation types as we go through the winter season. Oftentimes we see a little bit of everything around here, and when we talk about freezing rain, that is liquid precipitation. It is just rain that stays rain all the way down and then freezes on contact because it's cold here at the ground level. Sleet is when snowflakes melt on their way down as they encounter a relatively warm layer, but then as they keep falling, the air gets a little bit colder. They refreeze, but they don't refreeze back into snowflakes. They refreeze into little ice pellets. Snow, of course, occurs when the entire air column is below freezing. When we talk about the odds of a tenth of an inch or more worth of ice, generally what we mean by that is impactful ice. They're all pretty low. These green colors, you look at the legend up here, 10, 20%, 30% chance of more than a tenth of an inch worth of ice. I don't think we're looking at any sort of ice storm or anything like that. When we get up to a tenth of an inch, slick surfaces here and there, especially if they're untreated. Generally, though, it's pretty manageable. The problems usually begin when we get a little bit closer to a quarter of an inch of ice accretion. We drop down below freezing tonight, down to 30. And then tomorrow, a lot of clouds around. We'll probably get a little break in the precipitation by midday. I think drizzle will start to fire up again later in the day. And although you don't see much here on our model, I'm not going to be surprised if we have some patches of freezing drizzle once again tomorrow night. Some real light precipitation falling into cold air. So we'll get up to 41 tomorrow afternoon. Then as we head towards the end of the week, this storm misses us to the south Wednesday into Wednesday night and Thursday. We should be in okay shape, although it's going to be blustery and cold. Some of the coldest weather again that we've seen as we go through the winter season. Only 24 Thursday and on Friday, and then temperatures start to rebound a little bit as we go through the weekend.